Rahul Mehra is coming in. Yeah.
That I have told you that
Arnab,
the
first of all,
sports infrastructure was not ready. That was the reason for it.
Let Rahul Mehra
started late.
Let Rahul Mehra come in.
2008.
Rahul.
Yeah, see, Arnab, there are a few points which have been made. First of all, kudos to a person like Mr. Mani Shankar Iyer. I hope and wish he was the sports minister, although I like the current sports minister also. But there was a fantastic document which was taken out by Mr. Iyer when he was the sports minister, called the Comprehensive National Sports Policy, which was unfortunately a draft, which he tried to push and make his best, level best he tried as a sports minister. He in fact is the first minister to have called for opinions from Indians. So I want to clap for Mr. Mani Shankar Iyer. You know, I hold him in very high esteem. He's one of those persons who happened to be probably he said he was a misfit. According to me, he is the person. He is the person we should look forward to. And secondly, Sohail is absolutely off the track when he says that, you know, the world is looking at us. It is a crap. What is the world looking at? And which part of the world is looking at us? Why are we under a colonial mindset even today? Why don't we as Indians understand that we are capable enough and it's not a showcase event? We don't want to showcase anything to anybody but ourselves. We should have self-confidence, self-reliance in ourselves. And it is a wasteful expenditure. It is a colossal waste of public money. There should be a moratorium on any future such mega event, which is nothing but a den for corruption, a den for people to make their own money and selected few. And I completely disagree with Sohail when he says that, you know, Mr. Mani Shankar Iyer did not raise his voice. He did. His voice was scuttled. His voice was, he was outside India when he was asked by the head of the state to leave the office. This is no way to treat an individual, especially a cabinet minister. So, now let me just put some few things straight. You know, we talk about, your reporter said that if the world can do it, why can't we?
Yeah.
What can't we do? It is misplaced priorities in, which we are talking about. Where is the infrastructure? Are we talking about player welfare? Are we talking about the stadiums being ready and having been given to the players for practice to have home advantage? Are we talking about anything to do with sports or equipment or facilities for players? Or all we are talking about is how many officials are going to come. The topmost players are not even interested in a game like Commonwealth Games. It's a sidey game. It's not an Asian game or or Olympics, for God's sake.
Okay,
so
we're getting responses.
Do not raise this bogey.
Let's get responses.
When somebody of the stature of Mr. Lalit Manod, just a sec. When somebody of the stature of Mr. Lalit Manod says that I'm not concerned where the money is coming from, it's a slap on us Indians. It is my money, your money, our money. And when he says that our taxpayer money he is not concerned with, he has no business to be in IOA.
I have not said this. I have not said this from where the money is coming. I am saying what money is being spent in other areas.
You said I'm not concerned where the money is coming. We as IOA are only concerned with management of the game.
Don't manipulate it.
It is shocking that an official of IOA can say that on national television.
No. What I have said is, I am not concerned how the other people are spending the money. I am not answerable for that. I am answerable for what 1620 crore rupees the organizing committee is spending.
You raised your budget from 900 crores initially to 733 crores, and you have said, Mr. Kalmadi said that you will return this money as loan. I have made a petition in the court, take an undertaking from the IOA that post the Commonwealth Games, this money of 1733 crores will actually be paid back to the government of India.
It is a revenue neutral budget and we are raising the money, and we have been, so far we have spent about 800
Please pay back to the government of India. My money should come back to me.
Over 800 crore rupees, and we have spent, we are accountable to the government. We will give the account to the government.
But at the end of the day, Mr. Bhanot, you can't end it at that. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, correct me right now if I am wrong, from 550 crores to 1090 crores. And what do we see? Substandard track conditions, drainage system and issue, peripheral and landscaping work pending.
The money, whatever the money has been spent on the Nehru Stadium, but if you go and see the Nehru Stadium, you will yourself appreciate that what type of facilities have been created. It is
No,
excellent.
okay. No.
There is no fault in the Nehru Stadium. at this
Arnab,
stage, I will
IOA
say.
can guarantee the best ever games in the world, best ever Commonwealth Games in the world. In terms of infrastructure, they can guarantee.
No.
Can they guarantee the best ever Commonwealth Games in the world in terms of medal tally for India?
Definitely.
Beijing had a moratorium for 30
we stand
years
for that. We
before they
stand
could
for
showcase their
we
power
stand
as
for the
sporting
best ever
nation,
Commonwealth
not
Games
as an
organized
infrastructure
here.
nation.
Yes, we stand for that. I stand for that. Organizing committee stand for
Get
that.
into a
Yeah,
Best
discussion
ever
or
Commonwealth
No,
Games.
one second,
I
one
stand for
second,
that.
one second. Sohail Seth has to respond.
stand
I'm coming
for
to
that.
Sohail Seth, but
Can I get in?
no, one second. Pradeep Magazine hasn't even spoken
Organizing
yet.
committee stand for it. That it will be the ever best Commonwealth Games.
No, Pradeep-
I stand for it.
Pradeep
The
Magazine,
Commonwealth Games Organizing Committee
No.
stand for it.
not
In terms
one
of
athlete.
what? In terms of medals? In terms of performance? In terms of participation?
Okay,
In terms of
gentlemen,
medal,
okay.
In
What?
terms of
Best
performance,
ever in terms of what?
conduct,
In terms
in terms
of
of
money?
infrastructure,
Rahul Mehra,
in terms
Mehra.
of prosperity, in terms of everything.
No, Mr.
In terms of everything.
But
I'm
Mr.
saying.
Banot, may I remind you,
In
what
terms
about
of
the
medal
hospital?
also.
Can you tell me what have you done for players?
Mr. Banot, 1 minute.
Yeah, why don't
Yes,
Banot
we have
and
done lot of
Rahul
One minute,
Mehra
one
have
minute.
a- have a
Let me
confabulation?
reply him. Let me reply him. Let me reply him that
How?
the players have been selected
No.
by the federations in consultation
No.
with the government. They have been given the best
No.
facilities in the last few years.
No, Mr. Banot.
700 crore rupees government is spending
Mr.
on these
Banot.
athletes.
Mr. Banot, how many of
Yes,
these complexes that you
Yes.
have delayed and for which the costs have gone up double or triple, how many of these have been tested by the Indian players? They are not even ready. We were all told it's going to give us a home advantage.
I think
Your athletes
Arnab,
haven't even used them.
Arnab, I feel
Arnab.
every venue has been tested, number one. Number two, I am a sports expert. I know if my athletes in athletic stadium, in Nehru Stadium,
Yeah.
they will never like to train more than 7 days.
Okay, they won't.
Because of the humidity level here.
Okay.
Because of it is not a training facilities here. It's a competition facilities.
Okay.
So if you say that they need to stay here for 2 months to get the feel of this stadium,
Right.
it is not correct.
Okay,
Even
okay,
if my
so-
athletes
okay,
are training in
Pradeep
London,
Magazine,
if
I'm
my
coming to you.
athletes are
Pradeep,
going to train
Sohail
in London,
Seth,
they
Sohail
will never
Seth.
like to be there forever.
Mr. Banot. Mr. Banot, I am going to come to you, Sohail, after this because you have to respond to the point Rahul Mehra made against you. Pradeep Magazine, how are you viewing this debate? There is a concern over readiness. Can we dismiss it?
Look, I am in complete agreement with Mani as well as with Rahul. And I don't think both of them have raised a larger issue. I am a sport journalist and I know mega events don't help the sports in the country. We had Asian Games in 1982. Before 1982, we were somehow an sporting power in at least Asia. At least we were in athletics.
Okay.
We spent so much of money in 1982 Asian Games in building Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. As Lalit Banot just now said that these are not training facilities. These are for competitions. Now what happens to these stadiums after having spent about 40-50,000 crores on building these stadiums for international competition? We are leaving our sportsmen. What we needed was to spend this money on facilities, for training facilities for our athletes, for our sportsmen. We are a nation which is very poor in its sporting achievements. One part is that. As a sports journalist, I think if you talk to any sports journalist, he's aghast at the fact that what a wasteful expenditure on a sporting event, whereas this money, had it been spent, even 1/10 of this money, had it been spent on sporting training facilities at grassroots level, we, after 5 years, 10 years or 15 years, we could become a sporting power.